Hello guys, that is the Danish guy here. I play Minecraft, a Let's Play for you. And my Minecraft shit out a little bit, so but I don't film it. But I do it right now. So yes, that is a good thing. Take the wool, bitch. Ooh, hello, you eating some grass? I warned you. Oh, oh, hello, you want some grass? I don't. What the fuck? Baby, let me up. And a bed, of course. That is a good thing to have a bed. And yes, this is the last video in this week because yeah, I can't record in the weekend, so yes, and I can't record tomorrow. Yes, and yeah. And this is my single player world. I hope it is nice to watching. And I hope you like it. And yeah, if you don't dislike, if you don't like my video, but are you please um, please comment why you dislike. Please, that will help me so much, and I will do it better. You know, better. That is not only a thing. Uh, you your video is totally big. Your videos is I don't like that video because you don't place enough torches or something. So I'll do it better. But there's a lot of coal right here. And sorry if there comes some Danish talk in over. Yeah, but like I said in the first video, I'm not the best to English, and yeah. But yes, you can also in the commentary you can a free game you can ask me to play, and yes, you can also send me ask me's. You know, you must in the commentary you must tap um, answer the question here. And so I it in a video. Stop the video right now and look at what you should tap if. And you can select some other questions. Did you have a dog, Burger King or McDonald's, and all that, you know. All that. PlayStation 4, PlayStation or Xbox. Yeah. And all that stuff. Yippee! Achievement unlocked. Getting wood. Baby, give me more. You may also make a video to an intro to my videos. If you would like to do it, I will be very happy. And of course you get a shout out. And yes, I think off cam I gonna sail in a boat far away till I find a nice place to live. How much through you got? 31. And yeah, I mine off cam and some of that crazy stuff. And yeah. Nope, that I'm uploading a new video tomorrow or in the weekend. I think. I promise you. And that is FIFA 40 video. No, demo. Oh, hello, little sheep. Are you not deaf now? No, but now you are. It's this sheep. But yes, thanks for watching, and I will make a new video. See you guys. Goodbye.